Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set or change default group product quantity in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in group product. By default product quantity 0. Now you see. So we are going to set or change any number by using custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open. Then you can add title, then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see product quantity we set 5, so you can add number according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to group product page. By default product quantity 0. Now refresh the page. And then you see by default product quantity 5. So you can set any number in custom code. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.